Nicole first. Kasi wala ang papa niya. So siya may istorya in behalf of...
Jaden! Sana si Clark!
Good evening.
Doon kay Lola.
Happy birthday. First of all, happy birthday, La. All I can say is, although wala bang pindak sa inyo, pero galagaan mo pag-kinder.
Wala iiyak. Wala iiyak.
Thank you.
Ilagay ka.
More birthdays. More birthdays to come.
Emotional.
Pinayin mo si Lola. Okay, next to speak is Daidi.
Closer kay Lola.
Hi, Lola. Thank you sa tanang mga care ni mo maski ngay kukulo.
Inamin din.
Thank you sa tanan, sa hatid sundo, take care, and everything, every day. Every day sa care, every morning.
Magising kay Daddy.
Pirmi ko ni mo, di dyan ko ni mo malimtan.
Ang medyas, ang panyo.
Kompleto ko tanan every morning hangtod gabi. Thank you.
Kiss na lang, kiss.
Thank you, Lola.
Kiss. CJ.
Okay, si Janice. Okay, sige. Who else would like to greet? Sige, one of the kids at home. Mga ates, ate tats, dali.
Yehey! In English na, in English.
In English na?
In English na, medyo in English good.
Ani, dali, mag-greet kay Lola. Dali. Eunice, dali. Ikaw sa...
Hem!
Happy birthday, Lola.
Ang akong anak, gigunggoy kayo kung anak, abot na lang. Oh, message.
Happy 75th birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. Thank you for
Being a good girl.
thank you for
Be a good
taking
girl.
care of us.
Promise me.
Sorry for being hard-headed.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Promise.
No, I won't promise, but I will do my best.
Promise to be
Do
a
my
good girl.
duty. Thank you and happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays.
Oh, ayun si Lola, si Janice daw. Di na.
Si Lola na nag-request.
Dali. Dali, ako pa yung boss.
Football ka ron.
Dali, ako pa yung boss. Dali.
Happy birthday. Thank you for taking care of it since I was a baby. Until karon na, gyapon ka mas ninyo na ko. Tabangan gihapon ko nimo kung nakakitahanglan. Unta, mabuhi pa kagdugay, kinahanglan pa ka na mo. Salamat sa tagal. Happy birthday.
Kiss.
Para si Janice. Pa-picture pa kayo. Si Janice Manggo lang, si Mama ko na nag-take care sa iya ha, from small.